But no bomba clot.
I'm giggling, can let the devil have the last laugh. Ain't no more beefing, I'm just keeping to myself. I'm my own competition, I'm competing with myself.
What is up, you guys? Back with the vlogging. It is hot outside and it's like the first day of like real summer, and me and Shana are doing whatever. Like, I was vlog with her, but we're doing something, we don't know what. We're getting some ice cream. I love summer. It's my literal favorite season because I get to look cute, get to wear what I want. I don't wear no jacket. In the summer, y'all don't know, different bitch, bro, different bitch. But yeah, let me show you guys how I look. Boom. I look actually cute. Haven't looked cute in so long. So yeah, I think I need to pick up a red dye because my bobby pins stained my hair, and like literally where the bobby pins are is black. So I'm gonna have to re-dye my hair. But yeah, I'm gonna holla back at you guys later.
So Riri, I need a threesome. I'm his favorite type of chick. Bougie, bad and thick. I could buy designer for this fashion over fit. All that.
So annoying. We're going to get ice cream. So we're going to our ex-work place, like, you know, scum of everything. But we want ice cream because McDonald's ice cream will always be. So yeah. Are we gonna vlog while we're in there? Are we gonna vlog while we're in there?
You're going in? I thought you were going to the drive-thru. I literally thought you were going to the drive-thru.
What's the point? That's what's the point?
Because I don't know if I'm allowed in the store, literally.
If you're not allowed, I'm not allowed. Who gives a? Ooh, she cursing. This is crazy, bro.
It just gets worse and worse.
Worse.
Remember when certain managers used to say that only boys are supposed to do that outside?
Yeah, now they make girls do it too. And they put you guys in the back room. Where are you in?
I'm in the front, but they're just training us right now, so I'm not really.
Oh, well, where's she?
She's at the back.
That's what I'm saying. Why are they putting them in the back, bro? Place is jokes. Come back to the place and it's worse. Fucking big Beyonce. Awesome. Bro, this place is always so funny.
Bro, even comes up.
Yeah, I told you they won't. I'm telling you, they can't do that to you because then they know that would start a problem. Like, that's the type of stuff that would start something. Got my ice cream, but she got her ice cream. I got a tan, bro. See the glaze type of stuff coming on me. What's up? So I'm like trying these stuff on. I'm already impressed. My nipples are putting out. But I'm trying on these clothes that I got. So basically, me and Chanel, we're both tired of our wardrobes. So we literally switched. Like, I like packed up a whole bunch of like my stuff that I used to like last year. And she packed up a whole bunch of that she liked. And then, well, stuff that she thinks I'd probably like. And then like we just like pack them up and put them in a bag because literally I have nothing to wear to work. All my clothes are belly tops, literally every single thing. And then she doesn't have like crop tops. We're just opposite. Like I have all these crop tops, no clothes for work, and then she has like no crop tops and stuff to like look cute in. So like I gave her some crop tops. She gave me like some like, you know, stuff that would like cover my stomach and look a little better, like look a little classier. But yeah, I'll let you guys see them. I told you my nipples are putting out. This is the first thing. It's cute, right? Pink is my favorite color. So you know I love this. Okay, there's this top. This is for work, okay? So like, don't judge me. It's literally, it's just perfect for work. Like, I work at Guess, so like, you know, it just needs to cover my stomach, look a little trendy or cute. But yeah, And it's pink, so yeah, you already know I'm gonna think this is cute. It's just whatever. It's this little top or whatever. This little bomber. I find this so cute. I feel bad, like I'm just showing you guys all these things that you guys can't purchase, but I had to film something, okay? I had to film something. But this is cute. We got this little shirt right here. Matches my hair or whatever. But yeah, it's cute because, you know, it's just cute. It's whatever. It's cute. Covers up to my stomach. This shirt is so cute.
Beach, if you don't stop saying cute.
Adorable.
Shit.
Girl. Whew. It's hot, bruh. I should talk to you guys about, you know, let's just sit down and talk. So, did you subscribe yet? Did you? You need to go right now. Subscribe, okay? Subscribe. No, but for real though, what are you doing? Why haven't you subscribed yet? You don't think I'm pretty? You don't think I'm cute? You don't want to see me? Why haven't you subscribed yet? I'm going to clap back because I'm not playing. Subscribe right now, okay? Okay. This is my clothes or whatever. Okay, this is just like back to normal. So I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna edit this vlog, see how much footage I have, see if I have to like add others. I probably will have to add like another day worth of footage because I didn't really do anything. But yeah, I also took pictures today that I'm gonna edit, see if they're at least anything cute at all. And yeah, I'm literally so excited to just have summer. Like, this is my natural habitat. Literally in the winter, I look like straight trash. If you could see from the videos I posted in like February and January. I look like straight trash. In the summer, I just look so much better. Like, it's crazy. Because I finally get to show off my hair color. And my skin gets into this like bronze, glowy stuff. Us brown skins know in the winter, I'm light skin. In the summer, dark skin. Like, I'm both. I get to do both. I get to do both. But yeah. In the summer, I'm going to be posting so much more. I'm going to act like a full-time YouTuber. Like, I'm literally going to like post videos all the time. And yeah. I think I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you to everyone that subscribed, and if you're a new subscriber that is watching this, I love you, and I'm not gonna let you down. I'm gonna do better and stuff eventually, and thanks for like, you know, just hitting that button. Like, literally, just thank you, thanks, you listened, thanks. Am I winking right now? That's crazy. Anyways, bye guys. Before I go, I have a question. Would you guys want to hear the story of when I ditched a cab? Because like one of my story times is like my most popular video right now. The story of the time I got beat up. I'm gonna link it right here. I guess people think that's funny, so I have other funny stories. So like, if you guys want to see the story when I ditched a cab with my friend, let me know.
Jerry, nigga, you ain't ballin', you just talking, that's that commentary. I was in the field, man, I slaved for this. Had to talk to God, drop down and pray for this.